Welcome to Unimke M. The 3 easy experiments you can do for yourself at home to prove that the earth is flat. We know the earth is flat because the Bible tells us so, but for those of you skeptical, close-minded types that the flat earth refuse to accept the overwhelming biological evidence, I have designed some experiments you can do at home that will show you before your very eyes that the world is indeed flat and not spherical as some crazy scientists proclaim. It's amazing how many people blindly believe in a spherical earth without ever having seen it for themselves. I intend to change that. Experiment number 1, jump. Now, scientists claim that Earth is spherical and rotating at a speed of between 700 to 1000 miles per hour, depending on your latitude. This is a very high rate of speed. You can disprove this nonsense by simply jumping up as high as you can. Really, it is that simple. What happens when you jump? You come straight down to where you were. But if the earth were indeed spinning at such a speed, wouldn't you land hundreds of feet away? If you were to stand in the flat bed of a truck going 75 mph and jumping straight up, what will happen? You wouldn't fall straight down. You should fall out of the truck. That's because the truck moves, the earth doesn't. This experiment proves the earth is fixed in the space and doesn't move. Experiment number 2, blow. Since if the earth is supposedly a sphere, it naturally comes to assume what will happen to people below the equator, like in Australia. Since they are underneath the sphere, wouldn't they fall off? This is where scientists come up with mumbo-jumbo like gravity and centrifugal force to explain away their theories. So the scientists want you to think that because the earth is so much more massive than people or things, that people would naturally stick to the bottom of the earth because of gravity. This can be disproved very simple. Get a balloon and inflate it as big as possible. It will be a spherical shape. Now take a piece of paper and try to wrap, tear, or cut the thinnest bit of the paper possible. This paper represents a human being much smaller in mass to the balloon, which represents the earth. Now try and place the small piece of paper to the underside of the balloon. What happens? It falls off. That's right. Even though the balloon is so much bigger in mass, it cannot hold the tiny paper. So if the earth was a sphere, no one could live below the equator because they will fall off. Experiment number 3. Okay, this one you really can't do at home, but you can do it out in the world. Stand on the ground and look around you. What's the farthest you can see? Maybe it's a building, tree, or mountain. Now, find some place very close to it where you can get much higher vantage point. This is also works if you are on a jet and about to take off. Notice how in higher places you can see much farther. You can only see more of the world the higher you get. This shows the world is flat because the higher you go, the easier it is to see over obstacles. At the same time, it shows the world cannot be spherical because if the world was curved, the farther distance would ever remain out of view because of the earth's curvature. It will eternally be over the horizon. If the earth was a sphere, it will not matter how high you went, you will still see the same thing. Since this is not the case, the earth is flat. These experiments are all confirmed by creation scientists as being 100% accurate. If you are skeptical of the flat earth, why don't you do this experiment so you can see truth with your own eyes? Thank you, and God bless you.